What is up, YouTube? I'm doing a quick unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 11. I have two versions here. I have the 46mm in jet black and the 42mm in rose gold. So those are the two finishes I have. These are in aluminum. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the Series 11. As you see, the design hasn't changed much. It is your typical Apple packaging. So let's go ahead and take these out and showcase the jet black color. So just like the past, you have it in this little protective casing here. I do notice that it is a little bit thinner than the Series 10. That's what I came from. So that's what it looks like. Once again, not much has changed design-wise. In fact, I don't think anything's changed. Just a little thinner. It does charge faster, slightly, so that's good. That means you can charge it up and use it more often. So there's a charger, and that's all that comes in the box, the main box. And then you got the band that is grouped with it. So this is the black sports band. So we're going to go ahead and move on to the rose gold version here. And just get that unboxed real quick. Packaging is exactly the same. It's just a little bit smaller because of the 42mm size. So let's go ahead and get this out. I'll do my best to get a review of these. All the changes are on the watch OS side of things, so not much has changed on the watch itself other than a few sensors like the hypertension and a few other health tracking sensors. So it's all going to be on the watch OS. So I'll try to do a review of that when I spend time messing with it and testing the battery and all that. So that's what the rose gold looks like in 42mm. And we'll do a more close-up look at those when I get this stuff out of here. I've got the charger. And that's everything that comes in there. And then you have the white sports band for this finish here. So that's what that looks like. So now I'm going to put this all to the side, and we're going to look at the watches a little better. I do like the jet black version, so I picked that one. I think it looks a little nicer and definitely more elegant with the right Apple Watch band. So that is what it looks like. Not much has changed there. So let's go ahead and turn them on and skip past the setup part here and just kind of showcase what they look like on the wrist with the bands. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the bands just in case if anyone's new and never had an Apple Watch before. I can showcase what the band unboxing looks like so you know what you're getting and such. So let's go ahead and get to that real quick. This will be a quick one. So I'm just going to speed through this. It's all the same. You just peel and open as you see. And then there's the white band. So this is for the 42mm. Let's go ahead and rip it out of there. And that's what that looks like. And then we're going to do the sports black one. Not too bad. You just take that out. Comes with a little bit of warranty information. And that's what the sports one looks like. So now we're going to showcase it on the wrist. I hope this helped you. Once again, I'll do a review when I get more time with it. I hope this unboxing helped you decide on the finishes and how the watch looks like with the bands. So until that, I will catch you on the video where I review these watches and tell you if it's worth it or not. So I hope to catch you on that one. So this is what the 46mm looks like. So I'll catch you on that video. Peace.